Good morning, futures traders. This is David on Wednesday, July 27th, 2022. The time is 9:25. Getting rolling here. Making a few changes. Got oil on. I already made a hit here on the NQ. I'll show you where I did it. Right here I went long and then went short. Software did. Caught it perfectly. So I'll take that off. Makes a mess. There we go. So let's see what we got here. Get a trade here. Looks like the VIX is down. Yeah, oil's been kind of up and down.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can catch us on a downward a little bit. $18.22. Come on, let's keep her down. Yeah, she's been playing with all these entries. Market makers. Some of these hedge funds and banks, they back up to they go up to what's the window to get money for the what am I thinking? The Federal Reserve Bank. They back up in there. They have them unload a bunch of money, then they dump it on the market to move it. They don't have to pay any juice or interest. So they can fluctuate it at certain times.
Order
There
filled.
we go.
Order submitted.
It's going up. Well, that's good. They're all going up.
Order canceled.
Okay.
Order
That worked.
filled.
That worked. Off there. I just don't know if it's going to go down. Ten, 11. Come on, come back down. Shit. come on, reassert yourself down. Sellers, they're not gonna. Buyers,
Order canceled.
I'm gonna hold off on the ES. See if we can play this down on my NQ. Come back down. How much am I down there?
Order canceled.
There we go. 1,000. But we made it up over here. Yep, down 1,000 over here in the ES, so we'll have to factor that into our end of day tally.
Order filled.
Yeah. So let's take a look at what we got. 9,798 plus 2,584. That's 12,000. So let's do the grand total. Okay, so what is your commission here? Oops. It is 24 or 25. 2584 minus 135. That equals, okay, that equals 24.49 after commission. And then this one, it is 9,327 minus 367 on commissions. So that is 8,960. Okay, so 8,960 plus 24.49. That's 11,000 minus what's the total? 1,100. Okay, 122 net profit. So, well, we gotta minus that. 1,059 equals, so $10,354 for the day, which still isn't terribly bad, but it is a loss. Sucks. And if you did this every day on the oil, you're going to make $78,000 a month, and this on the NQ, that's $284,000. So hey, give and take, you know. All right, well, we're done. The time is 9:35 and we're finishing up. Thank you for watching. I'll keep making videos.